Hello guys, my topic is about computer unicast, broadcast, and multicast, which is comes under the computer networks. So as we discuss of the few topics, now my name is Jan Agasai Suman. My roll number is 1995 597. Unicast, broadcast, and multicast. So first of all, we discuss introduction. Data is transported over a network by three simple methods. That is unicast, broadcast, and multicast. So let's begin to summarize the difference between these three. So unicast, broadcast, multicast, from one source to unicast, which represents one source to one definition, that is one to one. Again, broadcast, which is from one source to all possible destinations, which is one to all. Multicast, from one source to multiple destinations, starting an interest in receiving the traffic, that is one to many. So note, there is no separate classification from one to many applications. For example, video conferencing or online gaming, where multiple sources for the same receiver and where receiver often are double in sources. These services may require using in hierarchically many multicast, and for that reason requires it. So multicast, which is considered from one source to multiple destinations, stating an interest in receiving the traffic, which is one to many. Unicast is one to one, from one source to one destination. Broadcast is one source to all the possible destinations. So which is comes under the one to all. Now unicast. Unicast, this is a type of information transfer useful when there is a participation of single sender and single recipient. So in short, you can term it as a one-to-one net transmission. For example, a device having IP address 10.1.2.0, consider a network wants to send the traffic stream, which is data packets, to the device which IP address 20.12.4.2 in other network. So then unicast comes into this picture. This is the most common of the data transfer over the networks. As we see that some data packets which is comes out of the one network to another network. Therefore, there is we can see the data transfer from network A to network B. So the unicast, which is information transfer, mainly useful when the participation of single sender and single recipient. Now broadcast. Broadcasting transfer, which is one-to-all techniques, can be classified into two types. Limited broadcasting. Suppose you have to send stream of packets to all the devices over the network that you reside, so that this broadcasting comes handy. For this to achieve, it will append 255.250.255 all the 32 bits of the IP address set to one, called as limited broadcast address. So limited broadcast, which one of the finest method in broadcasting method, which is comes at a part. So limited broadcast address is the destination address of the datagram packet header, which is reserved for the information transfer to all the recipients from the single client sender over the network. As we can see that cluster, which is single client for broadcasting transfer to all the data transfers from single. So we can see that information transferring to all the recipients from the single client or sender to all majorly all the data transferring all the networks over the network. Now that direct broadcasting is useful when a device in one network wants to transfer a packet stream to all the devices over the other network. This is achieved by translating all the host ID part bits of the destination address to one, referred as a direct broadcast address in the datagram header for the information transfer. We can see that in network A, network B, we can see the many number of data transfers from single client of transfer receiving to the major data transfer of the network B. So which is useful when the device in one network wants to transfer packets to stream all the devices over the network multiple one to all. So this is achieved by translating all the host ID part bits of the destination address to one, referred as direct broadcasting address. Now, this mode is mainly utilized by television networks for video and audio distribution. One important protocol of this class in computer networks is address resolution protocol. So that is useful for resolving IP address into physical address, which is necessary for underlying communication. Third one is multicast. In multicast, one or more senders and one or more recipients participate in data transfer traffic. In this method, traffic recline between the boundaries of a unicast one-to-one and broadcast one-to-all. Multicast lets servers direct single copies of data streams that are then simulated and routed to host that requested. IP multicast requires support of some other protocols like IGMP, Internet Group Management Protocol, multicast routing for its working. Also many other which is reserved for the multicast groups. Mainly this is measure traffic recline between the boundaries of unicast and broadcast. So also multiclass used for letting servers digital write single copies of data streams that are then simulated and routed to host a request. And also many might be multiclass requests support some of the other protocols like IGMP as we discussed, which is also multiclass routing for its working. And also one of the important protocol for class and computer network is address resolution protocol ARP. Is used for resolving IP address into physical address, which is necessary for underlying communication. Now unicast traffic many streams of IP packets that move across network flows from a single point such as website server to a single endpoint such as client PC. This is most common form of information transference of networks. Broadcast. Here, the traffic streams from a single point to all the possible endpoints within reach on the network, which is generally a LAN. This is the easiest technique to ensure traffic reaches its destinations. This mode is mainly utilized by traffic or television networks for video and audio distribution. Multicast. In this method, traffic recline between the boundaries of unicast 1 point to one destination and the broadcast 1 point to all destinations. And multicast is a one source to many destinations way of traffic distribution, which means that all the destinations that open a point to the request size to accept the data from a many stream or single-handedly stream. Also, in a broadcast traffic streams from a single point to all the possible endpoints within reach on the network, which is generally a LAN. Also, the easiest technique to ensure traffic reaches its destinations. Thank you.